So one of the accused in My Jeremiah rape case, Charlie Martin, testified yesterday in court, and he claimed that My Jeremiah was a willing participant who enjoyed the sexual act at a lodge in Harare on April 30, and even praised him for being better than her husband in bed. He told the court yesterday that My Jeremiah told him that she charged $20 an hour for sex. Charlie said after he picked up My Jeremiah in the Harare CBD, they went to fast food outlet at Joina City before they headed to the lodge. After we met on the day in question, Nditabo, in the company of the first accused, Thabo Blessing Due, we went to Joina City where I disembarked and left My Jeremiah and Due sitting in the car. I went to KFC where I bought my food and ate there before going back to the car. When I came back to the car, Due advised me that My Jeremiah was offering sexual services, so I looked back at her to confirm if Due was telling me the truth, and she said yes. I looked at Due and we both laughed. Then I looked at her again and asked if she was serious, and she said yes. I then asked her of the charges, and she said she charges $20 per hour. I then asked her, where would we engage in the sexual activity, and she said at a lodge. Charlie lawyer Shepard Makonde asked him to reveal the name of the lodge they went to, and he told the court that they went to Paradise Lodge at number 15 Frank Johnson. What would be your comment? The lawyer uyari kuvunza kasvikanzi kuna Charlie, what would be your comment if the complainant told this court that when you left Joina City you were going to a shoot at a company? Charlie responded, I dispute that because when we left Joina City, we had agreed that we were going to the lodge for sexual activity. Charlie was also asked to comment on the claims that he was intimidating My Jeremiah on the day in question. And then he responded, that's not true because we were playing music and laughing along the way. No one was afraid. Charlie's lawyers also probed him to respond to My Jeremiah's claims that Due was the first to disembark upon their arrival at the lodge. And then Charlie said, that's not true because I'm the one who had agreed to engage in sexual activity with My Jeremiah, so he had no reason to get inside the lodge, he said in response. And then lawyer Novat, it is claimed that you had forced sexual intercourse with My Jeremiah, but you have told the court that it was consensual. Can you narrate what happened when you got into the room? And then Charlie Novat, when you got into the room after I closed the door and we sat on the bed, she asked for her money, which was the payment in advance. I gave her the money which she put away before she removed her clothes and was left with a bra and pulling socks. She then walked to me and I stood up. Then she removed my shirt. She started sucking my nipples and kissing my stomach. She then got hold of my belt whilst kissing my nipples and further removed my trousers, and then she put me onto the bed. She asked me where the condoms were and I told her that they were in my pocket. Then she took the condom and opened it with her mouth and put it on me. She removed her pulling socks and mounted on top of me. She asked me if I was going well and if I was enjoying it. I then said it was going well. I then stopped after I was done and she removed the condom, thanking me, saying I have done it better than your husband. She then asked, demanding more money, saying she had given me extras. She said she wanted $500 and I told her that I didn't have that kind of money. Then she said even $300 was okay, and I still told her that I didn't have that kind of money. She said okay. Then we went to take a bath, then left the lodge for town where I booked an in-drive to take her home. She never screamed during the act and she did all she could for us to enjoy, and the place was full that if she had screamed for help, she would have been assisted. Charlie was also asked where this rape allegation has emanated from. Then he said he thought My Jeremiah wanted to preserve her marriage as her husband had been made aware that she was having sex in return for money. And I don't know where the rape allegation emanated from because she didn't show any signs of distress on the day in question, but I think she wanted to preserve her marriage after she had been caught engaging in extramarital activities. And then on 3 May, she called me asking about my whereabouts, and she came with Tafazo Shinawa, who asked me how I could have sex with My Jeremiah for $20 instead of $500 that she was demanding. In cross-examination, prosecutor Cecilia Mashinga accused Charlie of lying to the court because from his narration there was nothing out of the ordinary that could be deemed as extras. Ma-extras ndowapi hatiri kufana kuona panapa. I don't know why Cecilia uyakati hapana ma-extras. So panenge pakutodiwa definition yema-extras. I don't know what you guys think inenge yanaretwa yakataurwa nezuro naCharlie Martin mucourt, because to me it's sending me like lying vibes. I'm receiving this lying thing vibes as always with my rapist. They are always lying. and vanotoita make sure kuti iwewo wasara uine nyaya yese. To be honest, nyaya yaJeremiah nevakomana ava is now getting us all confused, but according to the testimony, ndofunga manzwiro amaita manyatsonzwa kuti mune loopholes akawanda panyaya iyi, and they actually are exaggerating zvimwe zvinhu kuda kuzviprotector, like always rape victims, rape perpetrators ndo zvavanotoita izvozvo. Statement rekuti she thanked me iro I think kuti they actually exaggerated. Hakuna zvakadaro kutonzi hanzi vakatotenda maJeremiah vakati makunda murume wangu. I don't think so. Ko iwo macondoms aifambirei nawo kumakomana, I mean, I don't know, but they are always having them. But my major question in all this, if the court can actually prove kuti maJeremiah pavakavatora vaiti vari kuenda kupi navo from CBD vanga vakananga kupi, if they can answer that question iyoyo chete, I think kuti court inobva yareruka pachapiwa judgment on Friday zvinhu zvese zvichanyatsoendeka mushe. Because according to the testimony yekutanga iyaya yamaJeremiah yavakataura kuti vakomana ava vakavapiwa from somebody else vachiti vada kunoita advert nevakomana ava. Ivo pavakazopikwa namaJeremiah, vakomana ava pavakanzi chiendai munopika maJeremiah, vanga vataura here before madays kuti tikufana kuita zvakati, kana kuti vakangopika a random person? This is not just a random pick up yakaitika, but now vakomana vari kuti hanzi agreement yakaitika paJoina City ndopakaitika agreement. What was their intention of picking maJeremiah before that? What was the agreement? Vaiti vari kuenda nemunhu uyu kupi pavaindenderedzana navo mutown vachita sei? maJeremiah vakati hanzi takatomboenda kunenge kulodge, ameno kumba kwavakaenda here kana kuti ndopa same lodge, vanga ne confusion. Vakadzokera futi nemusikana we one of the two guys vakanomudropa mutown vakadzoka futi. Vaiti marounds ese avari kuita namaJeremiah pakuita sei chaizvo. Izvozvo vakangotidaira chete zvinobva zvareruka. And then kunyepera Tafadzwa chidawa kuti $500. I don't think Tafadzwa would go kunoti toda $5 yekuti makabirira maJeremiah was supposed to give $500 makavapa $20. I don't see kuti Tafadzwa here anongozi anozoita zvinhu zvakadai, but I wouldn't think Tafadzwa would stoop that low to do that. Yes, he's sometimes labeled as somebody who is corrupt, but ndamurambira apa. Ndamurambira shuwa nembiri yamaJeremiah wachaja $20. Ndaona vakomana vanyora, to be honest. Shamwari yamaJeremiah ndo imwe yandisiri kunyatsonzwisisa testimony yayo last week yekuti akaripota kuti maJeremiah was raped, and then mukoti kwakuti it was consensual. What is that? So was she paid? What is happening nefriend yamaJeremiah? Ipapa handisi kunyatsonzwisisawo shamwari yamaJeremiah what she was trying to say. Agenda ndopahombe patiri kuda kutomunyatsomirira. The issue here now is they have to prove the essential elements of rape, the key one being kuti consent. Did she agree to it? Ndo the key element of rape, consentment. Ndo yapo vanofana kutonyatsoprova if there was consentment or what, because ndo one of the key issues avanotarisa. I'm not really vexed, I'm not really like, I'm not exposed much to my law, like I'm not a lawyer by profession, but I feel like ndofunga one of the elements of rape should be consentment, and they should look into that kuti zvinenge zvakamira sei, because nyaya yacho ikadaitwa zvekusatambwa nayo zvakanaka maJeremiah yacho anogona kunyura, iye vakomana ava vanogona kunyurawo zvakanaka, but ndikuona senge vakomana ava vanga vari kunyepa. They are trying by all means to cover up, varikushaya kuda kuita sei, but these are all lies written all over this whole story. There's nothing that happened chekuti vanobva vatotaura kuti hanzi everything was consensual, but let's just wait for the other part. Mukomana uyu, because this is accused number 2, Charlie is accused number 2, Dube is accused number 1. But manje pamwe patiri kunzwisisa ndezvekuti maJeremiah vakasara mumotikari naDube, accused number 1. Uyo mukomana ataura zvake raw yake yekuti akadai, but ari kutaura iye kuti maJeremiah vakaagreea, first person wakaagreea naye mukomana uyu Dube. And then uyabva azokonfirma kuti waagreea here zvikanzi but maJeremiah vakataura vakati zvoni, if I would have agreed for this whole act dai ndakaita naDube, not this guy. Uyu ndofunga ndiye kuzopinda catch 2 kacho, ndiye kurepa but ndiye first encounter. Why is he accused number 2? Probably pana pasina kunyatsonzwisisa ipapo. He's accused number 2. But accused number 2 ndiye wotanga kupinda court to give his testimony, and then ozoti panapa accused number 1 ndiye akataura namajeremiah vaka-agree and the likes. Mastatement avo aya ari kunyatsosounda kunge vanhu vakochwa havo. These people were coached nalawyer ravo kuti imi munodai. So malawyer ane huori. Toziva kuti malawyer mamwe ane huori, not every lawyer, but mamwe ane huori ndo zvavanonyanyozikamwa nazvo kuti huori and also kunyepa. Vanokocha kuti tikadai so vanenge vachinatsoziva kuti munhu wavo anyepa. Ngoti lawyer anokumirira according to what you said, hapana pamwe panowedzera kana kuti lawyer anodhila futi nezvinhu zvaunenge wataura and anokuudza futi kuti zvoni ukanyepawo futi unogona kunyura kuzi ndogona kusatanga kutadza kubuda kudefenda iwewe mukoti macho because majudges anenge akutoona kuti zvinhu zvacho ndezvekunyepa. So prosecutor at least ari kusaidi kwamajeremiah kuti hapana zvekumbonzi maextras akachajwa. There are no extras here. At least majeremiah is happy on this one. I'm sure she is very happy. I was so impressed kuti nezuro vakaenda nemurume wavo kukoti havana kuenda vega. Yes, tinongochingoona nemashamwari I think that's the first time yangu kuvaona baba Jeremiah. I think kuti kumba zvinenge zviri kuita zvichita better, zvinenge zviri kuita zvichita nani, which I think kuti they are working on their marriage, but they need to receive counseling at the end of it. Hopefully they are going for counseling because zvinhu zvacho it traumatized I think everybody in their family and also everyone who is also close to them. Tafadzwa Chidahwa dai akaita record of the whole conversation pane kuti anyeperwe and panonzi pane mavictims evamwe vasikana vaivai vaanogara vakaburitswa painternet vakawanda vainzi hanzi marape victims evakomana ava. Hopefully they are going to also testify about behavior yemukomana, but since judgment iriko on Friday, I'm not so sure kuti vachadedzwawo here to testify everything nezviri kuitika izvi. But vakomana ava kutogara vaine munyu muhomwe kuchiminzi kuti ndo mabasa avo chaivo and varamba kuti hanzi hatirambothreatena majeremiah of which mukoti futi vakapa masaini ekuti munhu wese akazviona hanzi madeath threats avakapa vanhu. I don't know mathreats avakapa vanhu mukoti iwawo ari questionable. Let me know what you guys think nenyaya iyi in the comment section. As we also, I'm not so sure if the court is going to resume today or so, but the judgment we know it's going to be on Friday. Ipere nyaya yacho tongoza kuti nyaya yacho yabuda so zvinhu zvacho zvazofambamo. So I don't know what you guys think nenyaya iyi. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts panyaya iyi. Vasati subscribe, but please make sure that you're subscribed. Road to 30,000, we will be closer very soon. We'll be very close to 30,000.